So these are squawk boxes. This is something that can be put up by homeowners on their homes to try and deter woodpeckers with the sounds of other birds. However, it is very noisy and can be ineffective at homes and mostly just irritate you and your neighbors more than woodpeckers themselves. These are roosting boxes that are also commonly found on homes with woodpecker problems. These can also be ineffective, leading the woodpecker to just move to another area on the home and peck.
I'm LL Trapster with AllStateAnimalControl.com, and today we're doing woodpecker work. So over there we have some reflectors. That's our method of getting rid of woodpeckers. Also around the holes where they're pecking at, we put a type of repellent around and in the hole.
As LL mentioned, these are reflectors, which is a very big part of our woodpecker deterrence. We will hang them up on areas where there's a strong wind current, and the wind will twist it around, letting it catch the light and reflect it around, and therefore scare and deter woodpeckers from pecking around near and around this area.
So that it'll help deter.
What the hell, my boy? Okay.